Everybody, it is Dark Warrior here, and today we are going to be playing a game called Helicopter. So this game is based on a game where you have to get all the bad guys and kill them so you can continue levels. So it's pretty simple. Let's start. Yeah, we're doing really good so far, guys. Boom! The blue will kill all, except for him. He's dead. Where's the other guy? Yes. And last guy, I think. Oh. That was one more guy, and he's dead. Down at the bottom. Get down, get killed. And what I do? Boom! We beat the level. No, we didn't. Don't know what to do. Yeah, good. So now we are going to get a new outfit. Look at that. We don't have enough money, sadly.
Welcome to Playoff, where gaming moves fast, challenges hit hard, and every play is a moment to prove yourself.
Okay, guys, we are getting back in. So. What's going on? Hold on, guys. Okay, we are back, and we are going against a boss. And I have rockets now. Yeah, we did it. Look at that. Oh. We win! We won, yeah! Got some more gears. And we finished that level. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're on a wall. Oh, looks like it's an off. Let me get out of that ad really quick. Okay, we are hopping back in. Should not take long. Whoa. This is a cool place. Yeah. Yeah. Boom. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it here today, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.